All right, just to start off with some of the ingredients you're gonna need for this. We got some chopped walnuts, some coconut flakes, gelatin, whey protein. I'm using vanilla, and because of that, I got 2 things of the Oikos Pro Vanilla Protein Greek yogurt. Got some third less fat cream cheese. This is just basically to keep the calories down. If you're doing keto or something, you can actually use full fat cream cheese. Whipped cream for the top afterwards, and that's where the coconut flakes are going to come in. And then we're going to use a food processor in our blender. This is a Ninja blender. We're going to actually use these chopped walnuts in here and finely ground them and use those for our crust, which is going to go in this 9-inch springform pan. I prefer a little bit smaller of a pan if you have a 6 or 7-inch for a cheesecake, but this will work fine. Or you can use a disposable tin if you want, whatever works, but we'll go over the rest here soon. Cut the walnuts. So now the walnuts are kind of ground up. You can grind them more or less than this if you want. This is a little bit finer than like the chopped walnuts that you can get. I'm gonna put these right in the bottom of the pan and pack it down. All right, so now that I packed this down, I just used a cup to actually press down the walnuts into the crust. Next thing, I'm gonna take 2/3 cup of warm water and mix in our gelatin. After that's mixed into the water, I'm gonna pour the water into the blender, and then all the rest of the ingredients can go in. Not the coconut, that's for on top after, but 2 cups of whey, your whole brick of cream cheese, and your 2 yogurts of choice, preferably plain Greek yogurt or a flavored vanilla Greek yogurt, depending on which protein you use, is going to go in, and we blend it till really smooth, and then we're going to pour that in. There we go. Stir in that gelatin. 2/3 cup of warm water. Good job, buddy. I have all those other ingredients with the mixed in gelatin water in here ready to blend very smooth. Now, I did not use, you could optionally throw in a 1/4 cup or whatever of like stevia, a 0-calorie sweetener. The protein that I use, the vanilla protein, is pretty sweet. There's a lot of stevia in it. So I'm passing on the added extra sweeteners in this. I don't really think it's gonna need it. So I'm just gonna blend it as is, and when I start pouring it in, we'll catch back up then. As you can see, it's all blended up. It's very, very smooth. We're now gonna pour this over the walnut crust. All right, we poured in the batter, or the cheesecake mixture. It's in our pan here, nice and flat, and now we're gonna put it into the refrigerator for 3 or 4 hours and let it set. Afterwards, you can cut this into about 6 pieces. And the average macros for that, it'll be probably 320 calories-ish per piece. Protein, probably 30 to 35 grams of protein per piece. About 5 to 8 grams of carbs. Fat, about 16 to 20 grams, depending on what you added and how much walnuts. Obviously, I used a little more walnuts because this is a 9-inch pan. You might need less of a crust or use a different nut for your recipe, but can't wait for 3 or 4 hours. We'll try a piece out. It's been in the fridge. It's just coming out of the fridge. It's about 3.5 hours. It's set pretty good. I put some coconut flakes over the top layer right there, about halfway through the refrigerator time. I'm gonna put some extra creamy whipped cream in a swirl pattern over the top. You can do whatever you want. You don't have to add it. Then I'm gonna just sprinkle some more of the organic unsweetened coconut flakes on top of the whipped cream to finish that off. I'm gonna cut the camera here and carefully get this out of the pan and see if we can get this set up nice. There it is, folks. Fresh out of the fridge. Tried a piece, it's pretty delicious. I think a smaller but taller pan would be better for this recipe, which I'll try next time. It would be like a little bit thicker, but it's still gonna taste the same. So yeah, give this a try. Drop a comment, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think.